For 2022, the major trend for 5G would be emergence of private networks. But what is still not in the conversation yet is how this private network will be linked up together and how they will be connected to the public network. Because as you know, users, and today the way we are living, it's a digital living, everything needs to be connected. People will move in and out of factories or airport. So there needs to be this interconnectivity between private networks, the ecosystem, but also between private networks and public networks. And that is where I'm really passionate with working for BICS. That's where we will play a very big role, we believe, because we were already doing that between the public networks. We're facilitating the interoperability and interworking between public networks. That's what we have built for 20 years. And moving now towards making this link between private and public, we really envisage a very interconnected world eventually.